Hello there everyone and welcome to Trains at Lochwinnoch Railway Station. And to kick things off we see the departure of 380-110 and 380-016 working the 1046 Scotrail service Largs through to Glasgow Central. Next up to fly through the station is 380-102 and 380-012, working 1K19 for Scotrail from Glasgow Central through to Ayr. Arriving next into the station will be 380-106, working the 1108 Scotrail service from Glasgow Central through to Largs. Passing next through the station will be 380-111, working 1K22 for Scotrail from Ayr through to Glasgow Central. Next up to depart from the station will be 380-108, working the 1117 Scotrail service from Ardrossan Harbour through to Glasgow Central. Passing fast through the station next is 380-116, working 1K21 for Scotrail from Glasgow Central through to Ayr. While passing fast in the opposite direction will be 380-101, working 1K24 for Scotrail from Ayr through to Glasgow Central. Arriving next at the station will be 380-105 and 380-018, working the 1139 Scotrail service from Glasgow Central through to Ardrossan Harbour. And takes on to our next station, here comes 380-021 and 380-010, working the 1145 Scotrail service from Largs through to Glasgow Central. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the two videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then folks.